Lifestyle photography is the first tool in our product suite, and often the first one users try out. It's perfect for creating lifelike scenes with an AI model, clothing, different backgrounds, both inside and outside, in various destinations. You can also create hyperreal visualizations of product imagery like bags, sunglasses, jewelry, and shoes. You can create styled food photography shoots and even graphic illustrations. The great thing is you can dream up any idea and see how the lifestyle photography tool interprets your prompts and optional reference images. We have a lot of great examples, but we'll start from scratch. Great prompts start with a description of the model. You can adjust hairstyles, hair and eye color, and ethnicity. And I find that the more detail you get, the closer the output will look to your vision. Then you can describe the clothing, pose, and background. You can write something as simple as Rodeo Drive Beverly Hills or a beach in Tahiti. You can use terms such as in the style of. Here's a photo shoot in the style of Harper's Bazaar. Some designers like to use ChatGPT to pump up their prompts. You can give ChatGPT a short idea and let it provide you with a detailed shot list that you can then copy paste directly into Raspberry. You'll receive four outputs, and you can choose the ones you like the best, or look the closest to your original vision. You have the option to choose perspective and lighting for your image, but this is purely optional. Upscaling the resolution will create a 4K image, but I suggest seeing what the Enhance feature does to your image. As a reminder, Enhance doubles the resolution, but also adds more contrast and shadows for increased realism. You'll still have the original one saved if you want to go back to it. You can also thumbs up and save to your library, both of which I recommend you do so you can quickly find your favorite projects again.